Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce the infill in Bambu Studio. So look at the left side settings panel in Bambu Studio, uh, click on your model also, and then you will see here strength. Now if you don't see every settings, then you need to turn on advanced mode. Now find the settings name Spears Infill Density. So Spears Infill Density right over here. Standard prints usually use 15 to 20%. To reduce it, change it to 5 or 10% or even 0 if the model is completely flat on top or doesn't need internal support. Then what you're going to do is just click Slice Plate and to save your changes. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.